go find this leak. We just did this house yesterday, and this lady saw what we did. She's got a leak. She called us out. They referred us next door. So you do a good job, you get more work referred to you. So I'm going to look at this as well, just from a storm damage perspective. But obviously her biggest main concern is the leak going on. Maybe it could be this pipe flashing, but I mean, this is sealed. Aha, that's probably what it is. Water is just running down this area here, leaking underneath. It feels like it's rotted. So definitely probably what's happening here. That's been leaking for quite some time. So that's rotted. So temporarily, I'm just gonna run a little bead of caulk down here for her. Just run some caulk here on this side. I'll fill this hole just to try to prevent water. We've got the remnants of a hurricane rolling through, so looks like we're gonna be getting quite a bit of rain here over the next couple of days. I'm gonna try to prevent more water from coming in for right now. Again, just temporarily. I'm gonna run a bead of caulk down this one here as well, just to be safe. At first glance, I don't think this roof necessarily needs to be replaced. I definitely don't think insurance would do anything about it, but I am gonna kind of look at it closer from that standpoint as well. But I think she said it was replaced in 2011. So it's only 13 or 14 years old. There's a little bit of granular loss, but nothing crazy going on. I mean, well, there's quite a bit actually on this side, but nothing that I think constitutes a new roof necessarily. But I am just gonna seal that up for her, and then I'm gonna kind of give her the option. I mean, you know, in some respects, that's a Band-Aid fix. I don't think more water will be coming in, but because of the rotted decking here, it's definitely, you know, to really fix it needs to be replaced. Kind of removing this area, replacing the decking, reflash this pipe, new shingles, and then it would kind of be fully fixed as far as what's going on in that section. But for right now, that'll at least prevent the water from coming in and having more damage on the inside of her roof, of her ceiling, I should say. So it's kind of one of the ways that we always kind of solidify ourselves as the roofer. Is if you can get out, kind of identify some leaks, seal some stuff up for them, say, hey, your roof is good, but when you need a new roof, make sure you call us. So any industry, any way, there's a way to make that happen. There's a way to solidify yourself as the guy. You just have to figure out what that is in your market. This is a retirement community, so I think that taking care of people here goes a long way, because they all play golf together, you know, pickleball together, all that kind of stuff. They spend a lot of time together. So the more you can take care of people in this neighborhood, the more they'll talk about you, the more your name gets around. So playing the long-term game in that respect as far as certain communities. So work for free and you'll make more money, I promise. I'm not gonna charge you anything for this. I'm just gonna solidify myself as the roofer down the road if she needs more help.